Typically, I'm not a very early bird. But the moment you dive into that water, it opens your mind and it really helps you to clear your mind for the upcoming day. So yes, crossing borders, crossing limits is part of daily life. My name is Nina Schulz. I'm a salesperson at Lufthansa Technik. My team consists of 19 people and we're spread over 9 locations from Hamburg to Malta. We have people in Sofia, in Budapest, Ireland, in Berlin, and Vienna. This by itself brings a lot of energy into a team. We are the ones liaising between our production and the customers. We have to understand the customer requirements and we have to translate them into production. In my leisure time, I like endurance sports. I've finished 4 Ironman races so far. The experience that you are able to reach your goals, in the end you have that feeling of, okay, I made it, so what's next? Of course, a major part is also traveling to see our customers, because the interaction face-to-face can never be replaced by a call. If I start a project with a customer and I'm really into the subject, if I really make it to my project, it's my customer. So I try to feel what he likes, what he thinks, what he wants. And the better I know him, the better I understand his needs. That's key in our business. Once you start finding a solution, you frequently find out that the obvious scene in the beginning was not the real problem in the end. And if you cross the finish line, if you have the project fulfilled for the customer, that's the motivation that I'm seeking.